Hey My Rhapsody Fam, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and as the title says in today's video, I am going to create this makeup look for Karwa Chauth. It is just around the corner, not around the corner, it is next week. Karwa Chauth is next week and I'm pretty sure that so many of you are looking for makeup tutorial for Karwa Chauth. If you are not married, you can do this makeup anytime. The festive season is on. The wedding season is going to start very soon, so you can recreate this look for any kind of wedding or any wedding function. It's so easy, guys, not a rocket science. You will see, I'm pretty sure it is looking too tough to create, but it is not. Trust me, you will see the tutorial and you will get to know it is not at all difficult to recreate this look. So you will definitely love to recreate, and I went for these contrasting colors, but you can opt for any kind of colors you want to go. But this eye makeup look is not wholly only my creation, because I don't know, the other day I was going through the Instagram search bar and I found this look. The one of the Instagram influencer, she was creating this look and I found this contrast really interesting. It really clicked me, so I had to recreate this. So I was watching her video, that is it easy for me to create, because as you all know, I'm a makeup beginner and I create makeup look for all the beginners. So if you are also a beginner, trust me guys, this is very easy to recreate. And by the time I went back to save that video for the reference purpose, whenever I'll recreate this, like for this day, it all vanished. It was not there at all, so that was really disheartening. I don't even remember what kind of base colors she used, but I used my transition color and my crease color. So what I found kind of like I can recall. So yes, go for it, choose your own colors, contrasting colors, combination color, whatever you want, and recreate this. And make sure that you tag me on Instagram whenever you recreate this look. And I think that's a really wrong intro. Before we dive into this video, make sure that you do follow me on my Instagram for some interesting content, because I upload so many interesting content that I do not upload here. And now with that being said, let's dive right into this video. For the base of my eyes, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. This is such an amazing concealer, guys. It's so easy to get blended and so easy to work with. It's my all-time favorite concealer, and I use it in all my videos. Now I'm going to blend it. Now take any translucent powder or any colorless eyeshadow to just powder your eyes, so that the eyeshadow doesn't get stick to your base. And I'm sorry for transition, I forgot to shoot while applying my transition shade. So this is the shade that I used to do my transition, and I'm using this maroonish shade to my crease and a little bit over my eyelids as well. So yes, make sure you don't go too up, make it till the eyelid and the crease of your eyes. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm going to apply the concealer all over my eyelid. It will make the eyeshadow stick pretty well, the glittery eyeshadow stick really well, and it will also help the color, the density of the eyeshadow pop out really well. So yes, especially when you use lighter shade, make sure that you use a concealer beneath that, so that the color pops out really well. And I'm using this rose gold and this turquoise shade. It is not completely turquoise, it's like greenish kind of a shade. So yeah, now make sure guys that you do your eyes first and then do your base, but otherwise you will end up having the glitter all over your base. So yes, do your eyes first and then do your base. And yes, and for my base I'm going to conceal my under eye area, and for the foundation I'm using True Match L'Oreal True Match foundation. The details will be in the description down below. And L'Oreal's True Match foundation is such a beautiful foundation to use, because because it gives you such a matte finish. So if you are towards combination or towards more oily skin, then do use this because this is such an amazing good coverage, medium coverage, and yeah, amazing. And I'm using my, you know guys, I have not so many things in my makeup closet. So yes, the Maybelline Super Fresh eye compact. Since you guys know I do not have any contour, so I use brown eyeshadow to contour my face, and for my blush I'm using reddish kind of eyeshadow. You seen me using that so many times, so that's, you know, how jugadu I am. And this is such an amazing eyeliner, such a fine tip, such a fine brush to, you know, if you want to, you find your brushes to make difficult to make winged eyeliner, then this is the perfect eyeliner, sorry. And yes, for mascara sometimes I have to hurt my eyes, sometimes I need to, you know, spread all over my nose and face. And this is beautiful lipstick. You have seen me talking about this so many times. This is Seri Coral Club, I believe, yes. And this is such an amazing coral nude shade to, you know, for any Indian skin tone. Yeah, love this. And now this is my only palette to do my highlighter. So yes, I love this. I'm using this white highlighter, and this is such an amazing, looks really beautiful. And we are done. With this is a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you do, then please give it a thumbs up. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you like me, my videos, my content, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I am on YouTube. And make sure that you do follow me on my Instagram. And if you recreate this look, then do tag me on your stories or photos on Instagram. And if there is any suggestion, anything you want to say, if you want any changes in my videos or anything, just do let me know in the comment section below. Share this video if you think this can be helpful for anyone, then please do share it. And I will see you in my next video. Till then guys, bye bye.